Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. About a week ago, maybe a little bit less, I put up a video about left-hand voicings for the F blues. And there's a link to that right there above my head, I believe. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to add some stuff with the right hand. These are the chords that we use. This is F 7th. We got the 7th and the 3rd here. And that really defines the chord, you know? Yeah. Gives you the sound of an F 7th, even without the root. Especially if you're playing the root up here and establishing something in the key of F, like using the blues scale. And then we had this chord for B flat, and once again we've got the 7th and the 3rd. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to add some stuff with the right hand. Now this is maybe for comping or accompanying somebody else while they're taking a solo, but also I haven't talked a lot about improvisation lately, but if you really understand harmony, and this video should help you understand it a little bit better, then you have a better idea of what to do when you're improvising. It's kind of like, you know, what do you build your improvisation off of? The original melody, good idea. You can build your ideas from the scales, like the Mixolydian scale, or the blues scale, or the other blues scale, or a combination of the two. Or you can build your ideas maybe from the harmony. And if we take a look at the harmony here, we're going to add an F chord right up here. Now another thing I could add would be a G. So that kind of fills out my chord even more. I've got 7th, 3rd, 13, 9, and the 5 here. I could even put an F up on top. But I'm going to try to keep it simple and use basic chords like triads. So now when you go to B flat, just change it to F minor, or B flat is fine. And you know, this is kind of bluesy stuff anyway, right? So see? So just basing my ideas from the harmony. If we go to this chord, a D flat chord might be good. Let's see what else might work. A B triad could work there. Or even just add this note. Now we're on B flat, so again we can do the F minor chord or the B flat chord. And of course, any inversion will work. Even a C major chord could work here. And then we've got our 4 chords. It's not really a turnaround, but it kind of feels like it. Sometimes they call this the move, from the 1 chord to the 4 chord to the 3 and the 6. Notice we use the kind of the same shape. We've got shape 1, shape 2, same shape, shape 2, and back to shape 1 here again. So let's look at some chords we could play here. We already know for this and this, we can do F or F minor, even though it's a B flat chord, you know, F minor triad up here. And then since we're going up like a 4th here, we could go up to like B flat minor, and maybe back to F again here. Now we get to our G minor. I'm going to go ahead and play the G in there. An F major triad will still work, or G major. Really, anything in the key will work. And then we're back to F, which we could do this way or this way. Now, let's take a solo and try to use some of these ideas. So. Oh, we didn't really talk about the turnaround. So we've got this. And the way I did it in the previous video was just to go up to the same shape here and then walk it down chromatically. So whatever we do on this chord, just bring it down. And then back to F. Now, just using two notes in the right hand, you can get a lot of great things also. Don't even need to change there. Okay, and of course, I'll write all this out and put it in a PDF down there for you. And if I can find like a play-along track with the F blues, I'll include that as well. I might steal one off the Jamie Aebersold Blues in All Keys. Just put the bass line on there and the drums, and probably these chords will work. They may not fit the bass line perfectly, but this is a pretty standard way of doing a jazz blues in F. All right, take one fancy solo and I'm out of here.